Okay, so a fellow FF owner has some questions about the cold start during the catalyst preheat during cold idle here. So dead cold. I haven't started this thing in it's been probably about a day. So here we go. So when I start it, you're gonna hear the exhaust is gonna be pretty darn loud. It's going to because it's loading the engine down to heat the catalytic converters as quickly as possible. But unfortunately, the system's an open loop, and when it's an open loop, the system's basically flying blind. It's going by, long-term fuel trims and stuff to try to guess on where the AFR needs to be. But when you're loading the engine down a bunch like this, especially when cold, it's pretty hard to do. So mine will actually, I've noticed since this thread, I've been listening to mine, it does spit and sputter and kind of wander a little bit on the cold idle as well. So here's what mine's like. So you could hear when it was pretty loud there that it was so everything was loaded down pretty good immediately as soon as the engine began to run, which is why it was so loud. And then as it got out of that load and went back down to a normal idle, I did get a little bit of a little bit of a misfire, and it wasn't a smooth transition down to a normal idle. It went like a bum, 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 bum. You hear like a little bit of a pop, and the idle did wander up and down a little bit.